The Honor product launch scheduled for May has been tipped to lift the curtains on a number of products. Along with a new laptop series, the company will also be launching a new flagship tablet, says Tipster factory manager. The flagship tablet will be equipped with a very powerful chip, likely a flagship one, and will set the benchmark for 2022 Android tablets. While not explicitly mentioned, the tipster did hint that the set chip will be another version of the MediaTek Dimensity 9000 with a higher frequency. This version is aimed specifically at tablets and power-efficient notebooks, and will likely not be making its way to smartphones. Honor released the V7 Pro tablet last year with a similar chipset, called the MediaTek Kompanio 1300T. The processor is based on TSMC's 6nm process, and has 4 Cortex-A78 large cores, and 4 Cortex-A55 small cores, and it's likely that the chip described above will be a part of the Kompanio series as well. In terms of laptops, to be launched with the May event, there will be a new Honor Magic Book series that will be equipped with 12th Gen Intel or Ryzen 6000 series processors. Earlier, the same tipster also said that UIA will hold an event in April to launch the new MateBook notebook and UIA Band 7. Dear friends, thank you very much to each of you who watched this video to the end. Also hit the subscribe button, and most importantly have an awesome day. I'll catch all of you in the next video. See you.